This is a re-upload on my road rage with neighborhood tailgater. I'm out enjoying the Christmas lights until Brooks the Bat in a Alfa Romeo Tonelli who was going to tailgate me despite me just going 3 above the speed limit. When I tap the brake to tell him to back off or back the fuck up, this is how he responds.
What's that? Who's blinking us? Why is he blinking us?
His result? Just to turn left 170 foot down. Yes, I did take handling the tailgater too far. This concludes for this video. Click on the bell, like, comment, subscribe for more thrilling content to come up. Thank you for watching this clip. Goodbye.